Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to check for the system updates on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the crown button or the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the general option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here find the option called software update and tap on it. One thing I forgot to mention that is your watch needs to be connected to the internet for it to check the updates. So make sure your watch is connected to the internet. To do it, simply go back to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and here you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. And once you do have internet connection, tap on software update and the watch will check for the updates available. As you can see, my watch is up to date, but if it wasn't, you can simply tap, you will see the install button right here and you can tap on install to start downloading and installing the update. You can also check this in the phone app on your iPhone that is paired with your watch. So to do it, bring the iPhone here, zoom out the whole camera so you can see the whole screen, like that. And on the iPhone that is paired with our watch, we can open the watch application. In the app, tap on the general and then tap on software update. And it's gonna check for the updates. And if there is an update available, you can simply tap on install and it's gonna start downloading and installing it. Another thing to mention is if you're installing the update, make sure to plug your watch to the charger, because if the battery dies during the updating process, it might damage your watch. Okay, and that's how you check for the system updates on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.